In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new blocks in WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, it's important to know how to add and customize blocks to enhance the functionality and appearance of your website. So let's walk through the process together in just a few easy steps. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is your starting point where you'll be able to access all the tools needed to manage and customize your site. Once you're there, locate and click on the login button. You'll typically find this at the top right corner of the page, making it easy to begin accessing your dashboard. Now for ease of use, we'll proceed by selecting Continue with Google. If you've already linked your Google account to WordPress, this makes logging in both quick and secure. After clicking, you'll be asked to choose your Google account. Simply click on the account that you use for WordPress. This step not only speeds up the login process, but is also a secure way to access your website. Once you're logged in, you'll see the WordPress dashboard, which is your main control panel. Direct your attention to the right panel where you'll find quick links. Here, click on Edit Site. This shortcut brings you instantly to the editing interface where all the magic happens. You're now in the area where you can add, edit, and customize the different sections of your site. Next, you're going to want to add a block. Focus on the top left of your screen to find the Add button. Click on it. This button opens up a variety of options and tools, allowing you to customize your website to your needs. Once you've clicked on Add, a panel with options will reveal itself. In the search bar, you can type in the specific type of block you're looking to add. Whether it's a paragraph, image, gallery, or button, typing it in will narrow down your choices quickly. Once you find the block you wish to add, simply click on it and it will be inserted into your website. It pops into your page just like that, ready for you to fine tune. Alternatively, you have the option to browse through the block library. This is great if you're unsure of what you want or if you're looking for some inspiration. To add a block from the library, you can drag it directly to the desired spot on your page. And that's it, you've successfully created and added new blocks to your WordPress site. By mastering these simple steps, you're well on your way to creating a visually appealing and functional website. Remember, playing around with different blocks can unleash your creativity, so don't hesitate to explore. Thanks for joining me and happy designing.